Good. Bring your arms into that sleepwalk position. Press your shoulder blades into the floor. Really drop them down. And now we'll do a little chest expansion. So bring your hands together, palms together, and now inhale, reach out through the fingers, open the chest. Exhale, press the hands together. Inhale, open the chest. Good. Exhale, press the palms together. Good job. Inhale, open the heart, the chest. And last time, press the hands together. Now inhale, open the chest. Now I'd like you to come into your pelvic tilt. All right, so come into the navel to the spine. Palms can be facing up. So you're going to take one knee at a time into that table position. Keep the low back connected and the shin here parallel to the floor, knees together, inner thighs together, and we're going to knee drop to the right. Pull the navel in as you come to center, and then drop your knees to the left. Beautiful. Come back to center, and then knees to the right. Pull to center, and now knees to the left. Very good. I love this twisting action, getting your obliques, your waistline nice and firm. So we're going to do one more, going to hold. Now we're going to challenge it a little bit more. Press your elbows into the floor. So either your palms can be facing down or your palms can face each other. The main thing is that the weight is in the elbow and the upper arm. So it'll challenge our knee drop a little bit more. Relax the low back into the floor. So come into that pelvic tilt. And then you're going to drop your knees to the right. Good job. Pull to center. And then drop your knees to the left. Good. Pull to center. Remember, you don't have to drop the knees that far. It's the pulling to center that's the work, right? Part of the work. And come back to center. We'll do a few more. Drop the knees. And now pull to center. And to the other side. And now pull to center. And that, with the goalpost arms, you can kind of tell where if you're lifting those shoulder blades. So grab your band. We'll just do it another little small set of our knee drops. But fold the band and have your arms in sleepwalk. So I'm holding the band between my thumb and my index. My palms are facing to the floor, towards my knees actually. You're going to press your shoulder blades down, tuck the chin in, come back to the knee drop. So the knees go to the right, the arms go to the left. Then pull to center. Knees to the left, arm to the right. Good. Pull back to center. So going side to side, lots of control, and you can go again at your own pace. And your head just naturally follows your band, your arms. And keep the belly pulled in strong, and we'll do just one more on each side. Very good. And here's the last one. Come back to center. Good. Bring your feet down. Good job. Roll to our side, and let's go ahead and come up. And with this half roll back, I want to add a chest lift. So take your band around your feet. Even out the tails of your band. And actually, some of you, if you have a longer band, just try this. Folding it in half and wrapping it around the feet. So it's a little shorter, but what you do is we're all choking up on the band. So the feet are flexed. And so what we'll do is we're going to draw the elbows in. You're going to draw the shoulder blades together, a little back bend, and then release and round. So we're doing a cat-cow. So draw the elbows in, lift your chest, little back bend, and then tuck in and round. But it's a half roll back, so pull the belly in. So inhale, draw the elbows back, lift your chest, shoulder blades together, and then exhale, tuck in and round. And a couple more times. Draw the elbows back, lift the chest, exhale, tuck in and round. stretching your upper back. And last time, draw the elbows back, lift your chest, open your heart, exhale and round. Very good. So let's go ahead. We're going to keep the band around the feet. So go ahead and take the band around the right foot, okay? So rolling back, just very carefully. Take the leg up. Good job. And we'll come back to getting the band around the big toe mound to the little pinky toe. And you're going to kind of grab onto the band. You can wrap the band around the back of your hand if you like, and drop your elbows down. You can come back to that little goalpost arm, all right, so that where the elbows are pressing down. And then flex the foot, and we're going to tick-tock. This is going to be a little stretching for our legs. So you're going to bring the leg out to the side, pull the navel in, draw the leg across the midline. So stretching the IT band. So bring the leg across. Open up to the inner thigh stretch and bring the leg across. Good. And then just go side to side. Just go at your own pace. Just moving through the hip, stretching through the inner thigh. Right. Now you're going to pause here. We're going to, and this is a choice, you can send the opposite leg across the mat. Then we're going to take the band a little bit wider. We're going to take the arms out into a T. So you want to come all the way to the end of the mat, and the foot is flexed. And now we're going to go into a leg circle. So bring the leg out, circle around and up. So we're working those arms. Bring it out, around and up. Good. Out, around. Abs are really strong. Arms are strong. Good. Do 3 more. Out, around and up. Good. Out, around and up. Just 1 more. Out. Keep the arms straight and up. Very good. Let's go the opposite direction. Cross the midline. Circle around and up. Woo! Oh, there's some work here. So bring it across, around, and up. You can always go back to the goalpost arms, right? Don't feel like you have to do this. Keeping if your arms get tired, all right? So just 2 more. And here's our last one, keeping those hips still. Beautiful, bend the knee, right? And then we're gonna switch legs. So take the left foot in. Right foot comes down, starting with our goalpost arms. You can wrap the band around the back of the hand, elbows come down, and you're pressing the upper arm and the elbow into the floor. Flex the foot, tuck the chin in and drop the shoulder blades down, and let's just tick-tock. So out, inner thigh stretch to IT band stretch. And some of you I know are a little more flexible in your hips. You may want to straighten out the right leg so the right leg goes across the floor. Not always great for me. My back is somewhat okay, so it doesn't feel too bad. And you're just going to do a couple more. We're just warming up that inner outer thigh. And then you're going to pause. Now, depending on how long your band, if your band is not that long, see, I've got a really long band today, you can take the arms out so you get a little bit of arm work. You're going to flex your foot. Let's bring the foot out, circle around and up. Good. Out, around and up. Good. You don't need to make a big circle. You can make it smaller. Keep the abdominals pulled in. Take a deep breath. Pull that navel in. 2 more. Good, and then you're gonna pause. Let's go ahead and reverse and around and up. Good, and around and up. Hang in there. Here we go. This is a lot of work, keeping the arms straight. I'm getting a little arm work. 2 more. Good, and last one, beautiful. All right, bend that knee. Let's go ahead, get rid of the band. Bring your feet up into a table position. I mean, not a table, keep your feet on the mat. Let's reach the arms up. Interlock your fingers and press your palms up to the ceiling. Let's stretch out your wrist. Take an inhale, reach the arm over the top of your head, and then go ahead and slide one leg at a time. So we're stretching through the whole body, stretching through the front of the body and the back of the body. Good, and then we're gonna go ahead and slowly, let's draw one knee at a time into your chest and give yourself a big hug, stretching the low back. Now with our teaser, if you have a long band, go ahead and fold it. We want the feet in front of our hips. I'm gonna have you flex your feet. And then you're gonna take that band around both feet. And first we're going to start with, it's like boat pose in yoga. So you wanna lift through the chest. You want to get your shoulders over the sit bones. And then we're gonna balance. We're gonna balance a little bit here. This is really core work, balancing. So choking up on that band. Now start to straighten the legs out. And your arms can be, whoa! Your arms can be straight. Whoa. Did anybody else roll back like that? Take another full breath. Good. Bend your knees and sit up tall. Good. Just stretch out those fingers a little bit because we want to do one more thing here. That was kind of fun, right? It's probably fun watching me roll back. So hold on, choke up on the band, flex your feet. You're going to lift through the chest, pull the belly in. First, just start to move a little bit back, balancing on your sit bones. Take an inhale as you exhale. If you like, at least come into a parallel where the shins are parallel to the floor. Pull the belly in if you want to go a little bit further. Hold on. If you want, let go of your band. Holding. Whoa, take another full breath, lift the chest. Bend the knees and come down. Good job. So grab the band and we're going to go ahead, come into a table position, curl the toes under, and let's take and walk your hands back, roll onto your toes, press your heels down, and slowly come up. Very good. So standing, feet grounded. So you're going to hold onto your band, and you can do this with a strap. Just make sure it's pretty wide. We're going to inhale the arms up, and now you're going to bend the elbows like a cactus, but that band goes behind your head. You're going to inhale up and then release your hands down. Good, so inhale, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, bend your elbows. Open the chest, the shoulder blades are drawing together. Inhale up and come all the way down. Good, couple more times. Inhale over the head, bend the elbows, cactus. So we're opening that chest. Inhale, reach up, and then arms come down. And last time, inhale, reach over the head. Exhale, bending the elbows. Inhale, reach up, and then arms come down. Now go ahead and take that band up one more time, but I'm going to have you have it a little more shoulder distance. You're going to inhale up, and now we're going to lean to the right. Good. Come back to center and go ahead and lean over to the left. Beautiful. Come back to center. Let's lean over to the right. Come back to center. And last time, over to the left. Good, very good. Come back. Let's go ahead and drop that band. So circle the arms up to the ceiling, reach up. Exhale, bend your knees and sweep down to the floor. So inhale, looking up. Exhale, sweeping down. And one more time. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, sweeping down. Let's go ahead and bring our hands over the top of our head and now to our heart. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining me this afternoon in LA. Namaste. You guys, awesome work.